Welcome to another Jim's Diecast and Toys. I got a nice 5-pack to show you guys today. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. What I have here today is the Matchbox City Drivers 4. This is, I guess it's all different things to do with the city. You know, you got your cleaners, I think, and then you got your food truck. You got a city transit thing. Looks like you got a police boat, and then that is city service. It's a street sweeper, and this pack features MBX Mini Swisher, Matchbox Bay Brigade, Renault Kango, Chow Mobile 2, and City Bus. I love the artwork on the back of these 5-packs. This one's from 2023. Alright, let's get this thing open and check it out. Alright, here we have them. Let's start out on I will start with the one on the top. This is the Street City Sweeper. It's got a one-seater in there. You got your brushes here. You got some pretty cool looking rims. Thing's pretty small. Let's see if I could see the information on here. No, it's just very hard to see because it's white on white. There we go. MB 1189, and there's a date on there of copyright. I think it says 2018. Pretty cool. The next one is this boat. This thing's awesome looking. It's a police boat, harbor police. You got your tires are kind of got these wheels that are way in there, like, I guess because it's a boat. Let's see. Let's see. 8 MHP emergency. It's got the Matchbox logo on the side. Made in Thailand, copyright 2015. 1186 MG1 NL Bay Brigade. It's got a plastic bottom. Alright, the next one is the cleaners van. Crispy Cleaners. Let's see what's it say on the side. I can't really see it too good. What's it say? I don't know. I can't really tell. But anyway, it's a, what is this? A Ford? Let me see in the bottom. It is 20. Oh, this is the Renault 2018 Renault Kango Express, 2019 copyright. You don't see any Renault vans here in the States. There's the Renault symbol on the front. Let's go to the next one. This one's pretty cool. It's a food truck. There's the one side where you got, it looks like you got your condiments and stuff. There's a menu. Looks like you got, I don't know if those are roll-up doors. Then on the side here, cheesy melt truck, the original. Always fresh, always cheesiest. I like that cheese oozing down the side door. You got a one-seater in there, it looks like. Let's see here. We've got the Chowmobile. Let's see if there's a copyright of 2020. The MB1250. Nice rims with yellow bands around it. Decent, I like it. It's really cool. It's got like a sunroof on the top. I imagine it must open up so they let all the heat out of there. And last but not least, we have the city transit one. City Transit. It's got flowers on the side. Metro City Transit. There's the back. Really plain Jane looking rear and front ends on these. And there's your side door to get in. Got a lot of windows in it. (2004) copyright. MBX City Bus. I like it. It's nice. It's got a nice look to it. All right. Out of all these, which one do you guys prefer? Whatever one you guys like, please leave in the message box down below. But I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please leave a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you guys on the next one.